Machu Mike now at Wat Indrawan. It's the temple with the large gold leaf standing Buddha. And this is the main area of Wat Indrawan in Bangkok. The tall standing Buddha. It's about 36 meters or about 108 feet long. Okay, this is around Wat Indrawan. We also have they offer gold leaves to the Buddha, as you can see there. They put gold leaves when they get offer offerings and ask for petitions from the Buddha. That's why instead of giving money, they put gold leaves. Okay. So all around Wat Indrawan. And of course, Peter Machu Mike here at Wat Indrawan.